everybody, and happy Thursday. If you're here with me in the Discord or in the YouTube chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. Who's with us in here? We have Grigo, Diablo, G-Lines, Ripsmod, Eagle Eyes, Mike, Morton Cicino, Ethan, Fat Citizen, Cyrus, Acumen, Redberg, Skyclad, Cash Jack. Whoa, we're dropping. Whoa, we're going down. What's happening here? Anybody know what's coming out here pretty shortly? Coming up in about 10 minutes here. We got some news coming out. What's up there, Coach Hoop, in the building? Different than Jobs. Come on. Oh, dude, amateur genius. I can't even get one past you. You're always on the ticket. Dude, look at this thing just dropping. It's coming out at 8:15. Not Jobless claims. Boy, nobody knows this stuff, huh? Amateur genius nailed it. Hey, Paolo got it. Giorgio. What's up, Giorgio? How you doing out there? Is Giorgio, is your name Giovanni Giorgio by any chance? Curious. Nobody cares about Europe. I don't know about that. I think there's quite a few people in here that probably care about Europe quite a bit. Pretty bad, my friend, and no George? Your name is not Giovanni Giorgio, but everybody calls you Giorgio, huh? Probably. I would think so. I think everybody probably calls you Giorgio. Shout out to Ferrari Phil for initiating an MC training sesh. How was that yesterday? Matt. Papa Giorgio. I love it. Boy, I just want to short this thing, but I don't know if it's going to bounce. I'd short this thing in my personal. It's always like right when I come on the stream. All over it. It's like, I get here, the market's just like going crazy. You know? Who's in a short right now? Because if you were in a short from like anytime really in the last 3 hours, they're caking on this thing. We're at a big inflection point in the S&Ps right now too, by the way. Huge inflection point in the S&Ps. Buddy short from 625. Whoa, that's sick. Want to trade spaces with your buddy? Yeah, there's a big structural level here in the S&Ps, so I mean, I'm too chicken to short this thing from here. We'll drop to about 20,285 and bounce, maybe, or 328 and bounce. Just 20 points straight up. This is why I'm nervous to short this thing, especially on my Apex accounts. We just have a little bit more to go on my Apex accounts. I'm thinking we could pass them by tomorrow. I don't know, maybe next week. We'll see. We shall see, right? I woke up super late yesterday. We're all done filming poker this week. But I woke up late yesterday. It was nice. I got to sleep in. Improved my sleep score. Got my recovery up. Now my recovery is just like back in the green. It's sick. Yeah, see, this is why I didn't want to short this down here. Just get so scared. So spooky. 327 all the way up to almost 357. That's a 30 handle bounce straight to the face. In the face. Straight to the face. Yeah, I'm not trying to rush to pass these things, believe me. I'm treating them just how I would like. I could just buy evals and YOLO, and I'd pass them for sure. This market will give us plenty of opportunities. But I'm trying to treat these bad doggers like how they are when they are PAs. I need to learn how to do this, Garmin says I'm dead. Dude, actually, hold on, I gotta turn these squawks up. Let's see what the old hoop says. 93% recovery, 86% sleep performance. My body fat is way down too. Been doing a lot of last 2 weeks, been really focused in on getting the body fat down. More rips, you seem well rested today. I do feel well rested too. Maybe I look it, I don't know, but I feel very well rested. Had a really nice sleep last night. I used the Withings body scan, and it syncs with the Whoop as well. It's in the whole ecosystem. So you get on scale and you hold this, the electrodialysis thing, I believe is what it's called. And it does a full body scan, even down to like your bone density. It takes about a minute to measure all that. You do it daily. I try to measure myself 3 times a day. Yeah, there you go. Bioelectrical impedance. There you go. It's very nice. So it all kind of gels together and it keeps track of everything. And I'm down, I think in the last, I want to say 2.5 weeks, I'm probably down about 3 or 4% body fat, which is great. How many likes for an Apex eval giveaway? Dude, that's what I'm talking about right here. Speaking to my heart. Tell you what, I'm going to give away 2 accounts today. 2 accounts. 2 accounts today. If we get to, let's do 800 likes. I mean, that seems pretty easy. I'm going to give away 2 accounts. One account you can either pick is, well, it's your choice, dealer's choice. You can pick either a take profit trader account or you can take an Apex account. Apex can be any size. Take profit trader is a 50K account. So if you win both, hey, take them both. It's your world. We're just living in it, baby. Very easy to do. Just like the video. And then tomorrow we'll do some more giveaways too, because it's Friday tomorrow. I got friends coming into town today. I'm super juiced about that, obviously. There's sales going on for TPT and Apex right now. Apex, of course, 80% off. Unlimited number of accounts. Somebody DM'd me the other day. They're like, how many accounts does this work on? Like 1 or 2? I was like, as many as you want, baby. It's your world. Press that button. As many as you want. Code RIPS, 80% off. And then for TPT, 30% off. No activation fees, which is crazy. That's kind of crazy. Pass an account. You don't have to pay to activate it? What? Huh? Crazy. Pretty dope. Hey, Rips, I sent a DM on Instagram. Could you share the topic with the chat? Let me see. Hey, Rips, quick question. How do you get your hair to be so smooth and luscious on stream? I mean, dude, that's a weird thing for me to... You want me to read this? It looks so majestic in the mornings when you come on. Like, what? You really want me to read this on the stream right now? All right, I guess I'll keep going. Also, I wanted to ask you if you're always playing poker. Have you noticed the difference between the crowds as far as turnout on the streets? Is there any less or more tourists? Interesting. Asking because I might try to grab a scope on where people might be in the economy. I only see people saying it slowed down, but ask someone who is actually there. Talking about Vegas. So Vegas. My wife went and got her hair done yesterday, and she said that it was empty. I'm not really paying attention that much, but I will say this. Last time when we went out to dinner, by the way, 2 minutes till the news, minute and a half, 90 seconds for ECB. Last time we were out to dinner was Friday or Saturday. It seemed pretty busy, and there wasn't really anything going on that I'm aware of, so I feel like it's okay. If the market continues to tumble, I think people's 401ks are going to feel a little bit of the pain, All right, we're coming back down to the Monday low here for the ECB news that's coming out. They're expected to drop rates by 25 basis points, I believe. But yeah, I don't think I haven't noticed anything specifically, but my wife did say yesterday, she sent me a video of, she was getting her hair done. She sent me a video of one of the very popular casinos. And it looked pretty dead. But that's on a Wednesday in the middle of the day. I don't know how many people are going to be ripping the dice Wednesday at 1 p.m. in the middle of a week, you know? In Summerlin, the restaurants are seeing less people. Interesting. What's up, Yolanda? Edison says, I remember you guys making fun of Apex on Top Step TV. What changed? I don't think I ever did. But if you have a clip, please share it with the audience. We can definitely watch it live here. A clip of me making fun of Apex on Top Step TV. In fact, I'll give you a bounty for that. If you give me $1,500, I'll give you $1,500 if you can share that clip. Send it, DM me, clip it, and I'll post it live here so we could all watch it together and laugh at me. Or your memory is not serving you well, Mr. Edison. I'm going to default on that. KC Casual says, you won't see Take Profit take a live trader on air to humiliate them bashing for using 15 lots when they allow using your DLL as a stop. Best part is the house was down 3. I don't know anything about that. People keep talking about those. Okay, so there you go. ECB cuts the rates by 25 basis points as expected. Listening to what they're saying. They're raising their inflation from 2.1 to 2.3% for 2025. The core inflation, I believe that the 2026, they jumped it up 10 basis points from 1.9 to 2%. Can you clarify what happened to you and Top Step? I just have such a bad relationship with him. I have a horrible relationship with him. I would never, ever want to see. Oh yeah, that's the Top Step janitor. Yeah, I don't know. What would you have liked to happen? What would make you happy this morning? You tell me. What would you have liked to happen? Because something must have happened, right? What would you have liked to have happened? Because I'm not aware of anything that did happen, but what would you have liked to happen? What would make you happy? What would make you finish? What happened? What would help you finish? Go grab a towel first. What would help you finish? You tell me. Something must have happened. What's going to help you finish there, buddy? God, thank God, I know now. To be honest, I mean, the secret's out. I want to try to get $1 million worth of payouts in Apex. You know, me, right? Trying a different prop firm. MP seems taller. He's way taller than me. He's got to be like 6'5". He's a giant. He's very tall. I think he's 6'5". I got a Top Step combine because you previously recommended it. Keep getting them. If it works for you, I always say work with the prop that works with you. I have had 0 issues on any props ever. Right? I traded Apex over a year ago and I got a $20,000 payout from them, but that was a very long time ago. I have not traded on Apex since. I'm just trading on them again now. So, you know, we'll see what happens. I don't know if you folks will be the first to find out. Like if I have any issues with any of these prop firms, you're going to be the first to find out. I'll be very vocal about it. You know? I mean, I'd want that. Is Apex one-day pass? It is right now. Until March 15th, I believe. But it's 80% off. One-day pass. I think it's $125 lifetime for any size PA, which is cool. But unlimited accounts, 80%. Again, we are at this inflection point of the S&Ps here. And we just are breaking through now. We're at the Monday low. If we can actually break through this, I kind of want to try to sell a short here. Well, let's see. I really want to take this short, but I just don't want to get blasted by a huge old candle in the face. S&Ps looks like it wants to roll. I think we could probably touch 200s. I'm looking here on this bounce, potentially taking this. All right, I'm gonna try the short here. Put on 1 lot per account here. Target is gonna be like right around 300s. Let's see if we can get down here. Come on down a little bit more. 301 is my target. See if we can get there, and boom, we got filled. Hey, look at us go, yeah. Woo-wee. It's good. All right, fun trade though there. Scalp into those 300s there. Trailing drawdown on Apex makes my type of trading almost impossible. I mean, you just got to adapt if you want to use them, I think. You know? You definitely have to, from downtown. From downtown! That one? Made someone's entire 8-hour workday in 5 seconds. What is that? Is that $4 grand right there? Hey. Let's go. The trailing drawdown is, I mean, I thought it was going to be a difficult thing to manage, but myself, I haven't had really any issues with it. I have continued to have pretty much my full drawdown, maybe plus or minus $20. I mean, look, go to, this is my TradeAvade screen. I still have full drawdown on all these bad doggers right here. There's a trade we took. Short, cover. I don't know. Maybe I'm a weirdo. I haven't had any issues with it myself. No issues. I don't know. It's been working for me. What is CPI week like? I mean, it depends. I mean, this week is jobs week, right? Don't we get the jolts tomorrow? If I'm not mistaken. What do we have tomorrow? Checking the schedule. We have the big NFP. Sorry, not jolts. Why am I saying jolts? The first week is always NFP. Non-farms. Thank you. I'm stupid. I don't know why I said jolts. The beginning of the month. I'm still back in February. With Apex DD, you need to set reasonable profit targets. Again, I don't know. You just got to adapt to it. I don't have any issues with it. Maybe I will in the future. I don't know. I'm just telling you from my experience right here and now. I haven't had any issues with it. Yo, happy birthday. Is it? Wait, hold on. How do we know it's your birthday? Well, happy birthday, dude. Happy birthday to Fat Citizen. I didn't even know it was your birthday. Crazy. Can you please explain the intraday trailing drawdown? So if you go up in a trade and you don't close it when you're in the positive and it pulls back, it's going to count that drawdown against you, even though the trade is not over. And if you keep on doing that over and over and over, it's going to eat away at your drawdown. But I mean, if you have like TradeAvade, it tracks it. I've really never had it go down below that low. I don't know. So like right now, if I lost $5,000, I would blow my accounts. I have $5,000. That's the trailing drawdown that I have remaining. But once you get into the PAs and you get above a certain level, that trailing drawdown stops. It feels like any other prop firm, like maybe a little slightly different. I don't know. This is why we closed towards the 300s, by the way, because we are coming right back up. Rips you market order into the market. You join bid and ask what's the difference. One is an active order, one is a passive order. Market orders are active, limit orders are passive. So you need to cross your price in order to fill when you have a passive order, usually with props. I mean, so if you're trading in a real account with real money, you join a line, you join a queue. And if it comes down to that price, it's going to eat away at that queue until it's all filled, and then it crosses through that price. Now, there's a chance that if you're trading in a real account, you can be in that queue. It can pick up a bunch of those contracts before it goes. Let's say you're on the bid, and without crossing through the price. On props, if you're using a limit order, it has to cross through that price. As far as I'm aware, there might be some props that are different, but it has to cross through that price. A market order is just here and now, and it's going to fill you at the market order, at whatever the market price is. Now, if you're trading a contract that has a wide spread, that fill is probably going to be less than favorable. When you're trading a real money account, you do a market order, and there's gaps in the spread. You're going to see it wherever you get filled in the tape. Does the 30% risk per trade continuously follow you even after you buffer? As far as I'm aware, it does. Yes. So that's how that all works. Passive orders, active orders. Limit orders are always going to be passive. Some people only trade with limit orders. Sometimes I want the price here and now. I'll use a market order. Feature Millionaire says, good morning. I took my first payout request last night for $2,000. Nice work. Where are you trading? Curious where you're trading, where you got $2,000 from. Which prop firm? If you missed the earlier part of the show, if we get to 800 likes today, we're going to be doing a giveaway for 2 accounts. You can pick either Apex or Take Profit Trader. Apex, nice. Sick. Make sure you let us know, come back and let us know if and when that got approved. You know? I think the solution for this stream is I'm gonna just start putting a video above me of past trades that I've taken on Top Step X and just have that running in the background, so it always looks like there's a Top Step account trading. Because apparently every 20 seconds we have somebody coming in and saying, I'm so confused. So confused. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Let me see here. How can I finagle this? Oh no, I don't want to have captions on. Why turn off captions? Dude. This is hilarious. Oh, Lord. How do I turn off captions from the mini player? Ah, there we go. We get the data coming out soon here. Okay. There we go. Now we're trading top step. There you go. Jobless claims coming out in 45 seconds. What are you looking at, dog? I should probably. All right. Jobless claims coming out here in just a few seconds. Let's see. Oh my God. Holy. That short just made people unhappy. Billy Madison, come on, Ferrari Phil. What year is it? Come on. Make it harder than that. You know, Happy Gilmore Part 2 is coming out in July, I think. Yeah, I can't wait. I hope it's good. Happy Gilmore 2 on Netflix. Wonder if Adam Sandler actually owns a good portion of Netflix at this point. Rip Bob Barker, yes indeed. It's my buddy every single sick day. Numbers came in a little bit lower, 221,000 versus 233,000, which is why, we were looking for healthy labor market numbers. Continuing claims are just basically in line. The trade balance is a record deficit, negative 131.4 billion. So that's interesting for the markets too. Shooter McGavin, I think he's in this latest one. Oh yeah, Carl Weathers as well. That's right. What was it? Chubbs is his character in that movie. Good old Chubbs. Well, we are kind of having a little bit of a test at this area of 350, 360. Makes me wonder if we're actually going to get all the way back up to these 390s, which is the top of the range. It is sort of driving up here. I wonder if it wants to drive through this level. S&Ps are kind of constrained by the 7 EMA. Can you stream the open today? Very, very easily, yes. How do we do that? Right there. You just got to click that like button. Very easy. We can stream the open. Have no problems doing that. 500 likes, we will do a poll, but I'd love to stream the open. It would be amazing. We have two types of people in the chat. Somebody said, RIP, RIP, Carl Weathers. And somebody goes, Carl Weathers is dead. I don't know why that's funny to me, but rest in peace, Carl Weathers. And then somebody, Carl Weathers is dead. Sorry, this is funny to me. I don't know why. He's big dead. Oh, Lord. All right, 350's testing here again. I really do want to look at potentially taking this higher if we could break through this, potentially targeting 390s, but we shall see. Clinically speaking. Thought he died in Rocky too. Me too, man. We are testing these this high of this breakout range here, 355 and higher. I don't know if it has the juice to break on through. Good morning. I guess you sleep last night. I did, believe it or not. I am well rested. Boy, it is still yammering through these levels here. Very strong. Looking for a pullback now below like 350. For a little push and go here. We are still being constrained by the, I think it's a 70 EMA. I never remember what's the white one. The 9 EMA. The 9 EMA is holding us back right now. Dang it, I missed that pullback when I was looking over the EMA. Come on. Still pushing up right around these 60s. If we broke through the 9, I think this thing would be pretty strong. Started trading about 10 months ago with no payouts. Finally, in the last 20 days, got 2 payouts. One from My Funded Futures, one from Apex. Finally broke the ice. Nice. Nice job. Let's see what the 3 minutes have to say here. Target would be like 390 to the north side here. 390 would be a nice level to hit. We just have some overhead supply right now. We need like one nice pullback, gather some liquidity so we could burst through. Let's see if we pull back to around these 50s. Right now we're wrestling at the 9 in the S&Ps. S&Ps look like they do want to explode here a little bit higher. Keep missing these pullbacks. Still 390 is the target if you are in this long. I'm going to try a little long here, and I want to see if we can get a pullback. I want to add heavily into a pullback here. If we pull back to like 340, I want to add into that. $390 is my target to the top side. We have some lick at 380 that we might exchange. There we go. Out of that one. Cool. Little burst through those 380s. Another little scalp there. About 10 handles. Almost. Rips, my map shows me resistance on ES at 92 halves and 95.25. Do you see that on your map? You mean book map? I mean, there's going to be overhead liquidity for sure. Just depends on if we snack on it real quick. You know? I'm copy trading across 20 accounts. 20. And we are pulling back again and then pushing back up. Kind of want to get this to 390 before we kind of make the next trade on this thing. OSW. These are 150K accounts. Oh yeah, is it side tap or top taps? Pushing up 5 handles away now. So roughly 7,000, yeah, slightly over. Just stacking slowly. Is there a platform you can use to trade? The one I'm using, Tradeovate. Tradeovate web platform. Very quick, snappy. That's it above my head. Right there. That's the trade that we took. From there to there. That's the last trade we took, and then the little scalp short there. That was what we did. We did it together. We did it together. High noon time. You know me so well. How am I liking Tradeovate? I love it. It's very fast. There's zero lag. I've had zero lag on it. I love it. Are you technically trading with millions of dollars right now? I'm technically trading with $3 million, which is silly. Silliness. Yeah, I really do enjoy Tradeovate. I've never used it before until now. It's extremely fast. The fills are very snappy. There's no lag. I have a very fast computer, and NinjaTrader, I get heaps more lag than this. What about Quantower? I've never used Quantower before. I've heard very good things about it, though. Which one is the best Apex account? 300K, is it worth it? I don't know. I've never used it before. I've only traded on the 50K and the 150Ks. I like the 150Ks because they seem to have more room for activities. What's up, Sarl? Never tried Apex. They run huge sales all the time. Always figured they'd go out of business. Yeah. I don't know about going out of business. It seems... Just passed 100K on that news. Nice work there, Wildfire. Way to go. This screen isn't Tradeovate. This one is, though. That's Tradeovate. That's Tradeovate. Caught 420 on that pullback. Nice work there, Brian. Nice scalp. How do you manage your risk? Very carefully. I use stops. Was a yellow line on my chart. VWAP probably? This thing? VWAP. Good old VWAP. That's what that is. Why do you have this one pulled up? I don't know, man. Who knows, right? It is a lovely day in the neighborhood today, I must say. If you are enjoying the stream, make sure you hit the like button. If we get to 800 likes, we'll do a giveaway. Free Take Profit Trader account, free Apex account. Any size Apex account, 50K on the Take Profit Trader size account. How do you set a stop on Tradeovate? Well, you click the button. Where's the... Just click this. You can have a stop wherever you're clicking. Just like that. Just click on the chart. Cannot use charts anymore. They do not work for me. What do you use? Are you a price ladder guy? Or gal? Did the game from Top Step stop by and watch you play poker? They did. They came to the filming of Cash Flow. Yes, indeed. Do you miss having bracket orders? No. I can kind of create my own brackets if I need to. So no, I don't. We are coming down a little bit here. You can see we kind of rejected at the 4-hour open. And We are coming down. It depends on if we break these 340s. We are auctioning below that 9 EMA here. I'm gonna try this a little scalp here to see if we can break through these 40s. Because if we can, I want to target like this lick down here at these 30s, which we're running into right there. Beautiful. Hey! Up almost 10 G's now. Look at that. Good eye on that liquidity, Rips. Oh, thanks, buddy. Good eye in that 30 lick there. Tried so hard to trade with charts, I cannot do it. What do you use? Oh, the dome. Yeah, that's how I started. I used the dome, and I very rarely paid attention to the charts, but I like it all now. I like it all. Yeah, Richard, you got the reference. You got the reference. I love it. But yeah, I will tell you this. This is absolutely what I hate about the trailing drawdown in these Apex accounts is that it's always full. I always have full drawdown. Oh, it's a nightmare. I can't stand it. Oh, good golly. It's so hard to manage this stuff. It is the worst. I don't really understand it, but I don't understand what anybody would not like. I don't know. I also, I will pop into streams sometimes where it's like, there's like 20 people watching a stream. And I watch and I'm just like, what is it? What is this person doing? It doesn't even look like trading. It's weird. I don't know. I guess we all look at the markets differently. How do you trade off the dome only? I mean, it's an acquired taste. You just do it. How much more until we are in PAs? $2,500 or $3,500? Yeah, $3,400. Seems about right. These pops are crazy. I mean, we're in a downtrend right now. We're not coming out of this downtrend because we haven't confirmed back over 5,800 in the S&P. So we're going to continue in this little melty downtrend. Depends on the trading style. I trade small size and hold for hours. Trailing drawdown can be your enemy in that case. Good for scalping though. Gotcha. I see. Yeah, I get it. But scalp until you get over the buffer and then go to party town, I guess. Just made 900 points. Can you congrats me? Congrats, dude. 900 points is, I don't know how you've done it, but hey, 900 points is, I mean, I don't see 900 points, but hey, if we're in imagination land, let's do it. Congrats, dude. ECB press conference is starting right now, so we could have some introduced volatility into the markets now. NCM Trader says, Rips, don't criticize Apex or they may not pay you out. When they had a Discord, they said anyone who criticizes them can have their payouts denied. There is proof of this out there. All right. Thanks for the heads up, man. Appreciate that. Curva stops spamming the same question. Hold on. Do I have to go back and look now? Where's Curva? Curva what? Where's Curva? I don't even see Curva. Apex has paid me out 400K last year. If anyone is worried about payouts, then just stop trading. LOL. Yeah. I've only been paid out 20,000 by Apex. And that was in 2023. I'm pretty sure 2023. Had to be 2023. Feels like a long time ago now. Shroot points, yeah. Nice. Ferrari Phil in the building. Ribs, is your Apex code really 1 day pass right now? It is, and it works on an unlimited number of accounts. If you want to trade 20 accounts, works on all 20. 1 day pass. Kill it with Apex this year. That's the goal. I want to get in the $1 million payout club, man. That's my whole goal with this. I'm gonna, slow and steady. This is the style I want to trade. I could go crazy and YOLO these things, but I'd rather do these little pop shots here. Give your hedge your trades as opposed to using a stop. Like in real life, yes. But that's for like longer swing trades. I'll use options to hedge them. It's kind of like buying insurance on your position, but I mean, I'm not like, when I'm actively trading my futures account, I'm not like in the NASDAQ short and then I go in like S&P long to head. No, I'm not. That's nonsense. That's not the way I trade. If I was doing longer overnight holds or something like that, maybe I could find a reason why, but nah, I'm just trading, dude. See the market, crush it. Can you expand your bookmap out to see where the liquidity is? I mean, is 200 points on either side not enough? Are you under the impression that the NASDAQ is going to move 200 points either way right now? Okay. I feel like 200 points is plenty for as we're scalping here and now. Do you have a max daily P&L? As much as the market will give me usually. Yesterday, I could have made a bundle. I made only like, I don't know, 30 something. How much did I make yesterday? Let's see. Pull up the old broker statement. After fees, let's see. I made 37.65 after fees. That is what? 36.65. So, and that was trading 25 contracts yesterday. I would have loved to make $600 million, but I didn't. I also woke up late and I kind of just rubbing my eyes. I was like, yeah, this could be something here. I don't know. What do you want? Do you have a discount code for Bookmap? I do. Well, look at that. Ripsmod is already on it. Amazing. April at the BDH. Yeah, it could be fun. Chief Lagarde says disinflation process remains on track. Their inflation numbers have actually been consistent, which is surprising, but smaller. Tradeify thoughts. Haven't traded with them yet. I do plan to, and I will give you my honest feedback when I do trade with them. How much does a 50K TPT cost? Well, it's 30% off with code RIPS. Try clicking the link right there, TPT. See what it is. 30% off right now. I know, Ripsmod has been killing it lately. If we like the video, 500 likes, we'll do a poll. What are we at right now? 300 and, oh, we are at, wow. Hey, look at you folks. Sick. All right, let's do a poll. Will the NQ end the day above or below? Let's say 2450 above. Boom. Go ahead and vote in the poll there. I like how you can go straight to funded or straight to a traded account with them. I'm guessing you mean funded. Monica says, hey Rips, just to clarify, your daily P&L above your head on the screen just for one account, but the other 20 accounts are linked to it. So if you trade in one account, the others copy. That is correct. I'm copying this account and 19 other accounts for a total of 20 accounts. And on my screen, this is what it looks like. So this is my Tradovate. If I move this over, you can see here's my 20 accounts right here, and they've all copied. This is my drawdown remaining. This is how much money I have in the accounts. They started at 150Ks, so currently at $5,600 profit in each of them. Today, $480.70. We do the quick maths over here. We bring it over to the whiteboard for this one. Okay, so we do 480 spot 70 times 20 accounts. It's $9,614 on the day so far. These again are evaluation accounts. Evaluation accounts, of course, do not pay out any money, but once we pass these things, we get them into the PAs. Well, by golly, we're gonna get some payouts, aren't we? And there you go. That has been my TED Talk on how we are trading these Apex accounts today. Rip, so I'm trying to understand how Apex works. So you're paying 63 spot 40 per account to have your 20 accounts. No, it's a one lifetime fee of, I think it's $125 right now. If you use code RIPS, I think it's $125 for the lifetime of the account. What are you using for your trade copier? It's built into Tradovate. I don't have an external trade copier. I'm just using Tradovate and it works one-to-one. I've had no issues with it. On NinjaTrader with Replicanto with 20 accounts, I have a very fast computer. I'm getting a lot of slippage. There was a lot of discrepancy last week when we first started doing it, or 2 weeks ago, whenever it was on NinjaTrader. I had like one account at $1,000 in the profit, one account at $200 in the profit. And I just, if I'm in the PAs, I can't lose that much to slippage. So, can you trade 20 accounts in Tradovate's copier? Yes. That is exactly what I had just shown on screen live. Yes, the answer is yes. Crazy how they're all filled exact. Mine can't get mine exactly to fill. Well, I mean, I'm just like Tradovate. Like, dude, Replicano was a huge deal. I've been using Replicano for the last 2 years when I was copy trading. For 20 accounts, it just seems to not really work as well. So that's why I'm using Tradovate now, and it's one-to-one. Like, that's the thing is, like, I saw one account was at $1,000 in the profit, and the other account was at $200 in the profit. One was at like 300, another at 600. Like, I can't lose that profit because of a trade copier, especially when I get into the PAs. So. How much you paid for Tradovate? Tradovate is free. It's included with the price of your accounts. You do not have to pay for Tradovate. It's all included, baby. Yeah, I don't use Replicanto, Yolanda, for Tradovate. It's built in. It's lovely. It's very fast. The moment you click the button, like I was the very first time I ever used Tradovate this week or last week, whenever I started, must have been last week. I clicked the button and it was like already in the trade, and I was like, whoa, that was like, it knew I was about to click. Crazy. When do you think you'll pass your emails? Evals, I'm guessing. Props to you for being patient. I always try to pass them one day and wreck my evals. Well, you know, we can create some content the longer this takes, I suppose. Nah, I'm trying to pass these things. I'm trying to be selective on my trades. For the lifetime fee, how do you feel about the part where it says 1 penny for every 10 years after the initial lifetime fee for 10 years? I think we're in big trouble. Those pennies are going to add up. Congrats on your emails. Thank you. I'm very proud of my emails. Pass it today? I don't know. Maybe we do. It depends on the market. I don't control the market, unfortunately. Have I done the Replicano update? Yeah, but I still, again, it's not that I don't want to use NinjaTrader. Remember, Tradovate is owned by NinjaTrader. It's the same company. It's not that I don't want to use NinjaTrader. It's just that I use Tradovate and I love it, and it's very easy for me to use. It's web-based, it's snappy. I'm just using what works the best for me right now, and I'll tell you, from somebody who used to use NinjaTrader all the time, Tradovate for this purpose, for these accounts, trading on Apex, I think that this will lead me on the road to $1 million in payouts or more. That's how I feel about it. I love NinjaTrader, but I'm willing to do this. I trust it. Which props have you received payouts from other than Top Step? Apex and Top Step. Those are the only two. You have to remember, like, I've been only trading my own money for the majority of my trading career. Only my own money. I discovered, well, I heard about props, never used them, and then I started using props because my group wanted to use props back in 2023. So, Top Step and Apex are the only two funding companies that I've really tried, and I've had payouts from both. Uzi, I can't answer your question unless you paste it 6 more times. You're only at 2 right now. So if you post it and copy paste it 6 more times, I will actually answer that question. 2 times is not enough. Aren't Ninja and Tradeovate the same thing? They are the same company, but they are 2 separate platforms. 2 separate platforms. Here we go. Ron asks, Casey asks, when they upgrade you to the live account, what happens to your 20 PA? Be nice to Ripsmod. All right, we get it. Be nice. Ripsmod is going to go crazy. When they upgrade you to live account, what happens to your 20 PA accounts and how can you get back to them? I have no clue, dude. We'll find out when we cross that bridge. We'll find out. Be nice to Ripsmod. Can't do OCO trade orders on Tradeovate while copy trading my issue. Yeah, I mean, I get it. You could do that if you have Ninja Trader with Replicanto open, but I'm okay without it. Wow, this thing is selling heavily now. This would be a huge break if we broke through 300s here. Ribs, is trailing drawdown Apex the same as Top Step? I don't think so. No, because Apex is intraday, Top Step is end of day trailing. So no, it's not. But once you get past the trailing drawdown, it's over. So once you get in your PAs, you get past it, it's all over, baby. Wow, this thing is very heavy right now. Oh, I'm very tempted to take a trade, but there's a lot of liquidity front running these 300s here. Let's see if we can break on through here. This is just chunky down here, so I don't know if it's gonna break yet. We are 28.5 minutes until the market opens. If we get these likes up, we'll hang out together, trade the open together, have some fun. Could be some funsies. Ron asks, what would you recommend to learn? I mean, there are a lot of overpriced and scammy courses. What would you recommend to me? Spend time on your charts. Spend time trading. Discover your own unique style. I would say, you know, reading like Market Wizards will get you a little bit inspired. You're not going to learn much about your technical aspects of trading, but I mean, there's a lot of different ways, but it's just going to take time and experience. There's no course that's going to, in my opinion, it's going to teach you how to be a better trader. Because even if you knew how to trade well, you're still going to have to get through how to keep a trade on, hold a trade, manage your emotions through a trade when it's going well, when it's not going well. A lot of things to go through. You have to experience it all yourself, in my opinion. Emotions just gotta take time. Gotta learn how to work through them. No shortcuts in trading. If you find one, it'll be short-lived. Exactly. Definitely have to learn how to accept losses. Yeah. If you can leave good trades on and take bad trades off quickly, you're pretty much home free there. First time in your stream, tired of PW talking crap about everyone. I also listen to Big Daddy Max, but so far I like your demeanor a lot better. Hey, thanks, man. Stick around for longer. I'll start spazzing out and crashing out on stream. I think we did that last stream. It's always a good crash out every once a week. Just about. You get a nice little crash out. Hey gang, while trading multiple accounts through TradeEvade, is there a way to set up a stop automatically while trading Apex? Only if you use Replicon though, as far as I'm aware. Otherwise, you just got to put it in yourself. Are we almost up to 800 likes, really? Dude, 800 likes, we do a giveaway for 2 accounts in here. We're at 671. How about that? I can't believe it. You folks are doing the likes today. That's unreal. Hanging with MP this week? We did hang out already. He stopped by the Poker Go Studios. And he watched the filming of it. There's that fella right there. Taped an episode of Cash Flow at Poker Go Studios. He stopped by with some homies. So that was fun. We are pushing up here. Those 300s still could not crack. You can see that's kind of like the bottom end of the distribution here. Not surprisingly. Ever been to Houston for poker? They've been inviting me to go on to the Lodge stream, but I have not gone yet. Also, Hustler in LA, I haven't gone yet. I've never been to H-Town, no. Do they have a wardrobe guideline for tape streams? Not that I'm aware of, but can't imagine myself wearing anything offensive. Feds Harker is speaking right now. What's he got to say? Rips King, you go through your friends list one by one and tell us who you're still friends with. What about my top 8 on MySpace? Can we go through my top 8? Who's in my top 8 right now? Play versus Nick Airball. Airball is sick. I was just talking to him. I think it was this week or last week. He was just in Las Vegas. Next time he's going to come here and we're going to play together. But he's a great guy. Very nice guy. Dude, dude, I don't think so. Favorite poker gambling movie? I have a few. Rounders, #1 poker movie, obviously. The Gambler with Mark Wahlberg, very good, underrated. Molly's Game, very good. Trying to think what else. 21 is okay. It's decent. Kevin Spacey's in it, which is a little annoying. But yeah, if you like The Gambler is very good. If you have ever had, I mean, there's a lot of good parts in that movie. Very good movie. Ribs is autistic. He doesn't have any friends. His only friend is a train. Stop asking. The Sting, I mean, that's way back. We're talking, that's a classic right there. That's a very, very good movie. Isn't that Paul Newman? Right? Paul Newman's that one. That's the one where they're in the train cars, right? I'm pretty sure. Am I thinking of an entirely different movie now? Do I have a closet full of black tees? Yeah. I literally have... Maybe that's something I should post on Instagram. Yeah, I have... I think I have like 15 stream black tees and then like 25 of the other ones that I wear when I'm playing poker. Oh yeah, Maverick is really good too. That's more of a wholesome one. That's a great movie too. I love that movie. Mel Gibson's the GOAT. 800 likes, we will do a giveaway for 2 accounts. Apex account and TPT account. Apex is any size, TPT is 50K. And you can pick either one. You can, if you want a TPT account, 50K account, you let me know. If you want an Apex account, you let me know. I haven't traded on TPT yet, but I plan to soon. Trading the open today? I think so. We got enough likes in here. I think we could trade the open together. I think we'll just do it, you know? But yeah, the cool thing about the Apex stuff is you get in any size account. All right, let's do it. We did it, folks. Yes. Yeah. Let's go. Woo! We did it. TPT, no activation fee. That is right. Especially if you use code RIPS, no activation fee. Pass the account. Like, that's so sick. I don't even know how, like, how is that? Whatever. It's not my business, but that's sick. That's sick. All right, let's do this. Very easy. Very, 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 very easy to do this. Very simple. We're going to make the giveaway very easy to win today. First of all, make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter right there, at Selling Rips. Instagram and Twitter. Very simple. This is me right here. Right there. That's my X account. That's me. Hey, Bullet Traders. What's up, dude? If you do want to be get 10x luck for the giveaway, there's a join button down below. You don't have to do it. You don't have to do it to be in the giveaway, but that's we'll give you 10x luck. You get 10 entries if you are a member. You have a green next to your name, like Silent NW Part 2 does. The Instagram account is thusly. This is the Instagram account. You notice there's a blue check mark on both of them. There it is. At Selling Rips on both of them. Make sure you're following me on both of those. There you go. M. McClure, Part 2, just joined. 10x the luck right there. All right, let's make this super simple here. Super easy. Gonna do giveaway. So, how do you qualify for the giveaway? Do the following part. Let's go ahead and end the poll first. Ending the poll. Above 44%, 30% say below, so it's a mixed bag right now. 24% have no clue. Okay. So there is a link that I'm gonna want you to click here. I want you to go ahead and click this link first. Click that link. You're gonna go to that page, and on that page, you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna scroll all the way down where it says day 1 payouts. Well, first of all, you see to the left there, it says this website uses cookies. You just click accept all. You do that first. You click accept all. That's the first part. Second part is going to be, you scroll down all the way down towards the bottom there. There's something where it says day 1 payouts in your blank account. You're going to type in that word. Day 1 payouts in your blank account. And type in that word. That's it. Oh, you folks are too quick. Look at that. Type it in only one time, by the way. Only one time. If you type it in more than once, you are actually disqualified from the giveaway, which is kind of annoying. I don't want that to happen to anybody. But you nailed it. That's right. The word is pro. That is the word to use. In today's giveaway, look at that. Pro is the word. Don't type it in more than one time. If you do, you're going to get disqualified. So just type it in once. I'll let you folks get there. This is for either an Apex or a TPT account. TPT accounts are 50K, Apex are any size. Probably take profit trader next week. I've been trying to get these Apex accounts passed, and I'm just doing it nice and slowly. Slowly. ECB's Lagarde is still yapping, by the way. Yappity yap yap yap. Pro is slang for hooker in Australia. Oi. Find me a hooker. Roddy the Jackhammer is gonna give it to her. In the bush. Woo! That was weird. All right. Give it to Get that. Type in. I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was, actually. It was just the thoughts bouncing around my head, apparently. I don't know. I have no idea what that was. I really have no clue. Sorry. No clue. All right, here we go. Get these giveaways in. This is me on sleep. I don't know what this is. Goodness. All right, so back to the giveaways. Back to the giveaways here. Back to the giveaways. Yes. All right, so we have 461 people here in the giveaway right here and now. Okay, let's do this. I'll give you 60 more seconds here. 60 more seconds till we do the giveaway. Again, this is for an Apex or a TPT account. It's your world. We're just living in it. It's your choice. When I when I roll the dice here, it's gonna select a winner. You have to claim it. Make sure you are caught up all the way to the video. Make sure you are live here with the stream. Make sure you're all the way caught up live. And if you are, you're gonna be perfectly on time here. The current time, by the way, is 9:15 and 22 seconds. So make sure that you're caught up here. See, like Gringo El Diablo, he's got a star next to his name. They are a channel member, so they get 10 entries for just this one. So that's kind of cool. Ripstar, nice. Good name there. Rui, what's up? Rustum, Hayden. All right, everybody, here we go. In 5, 4, when you do win, very simple. All you have to do is just say, hey, that's me, and then let me know what your Instagram or Twitter account is. Once you do that, I'm gonna, send you a code. That's it. Here we go, everybody. 5, 4, 3, 2, and Bernardo. Oh, Bernardo. You've won the giveaway. We give you 60 seconds to claim. Yes, that is you. What is your username? On Twitter or on Instagram. Congratulations, by the way. Let's see if you can finish the second part of the puzzle. Let me know what your Twitter or Instagram name is. I feel like we've had discussions on Instagram before. So just tell me what your username is in the next 60 seconds. And let me know if you want Apex or TPT. Yes. I don't think your username is Hey, though, by the way. B. Hudson. Okay, all right. Let's see. See if I can find you. Is that on Instagram or is it on Twitter? God, let me know. IG. Okay, let me make sure that you are following me. I think we've had conversations before. Let's see, B. Hudson. There you are. Yeah, you do follow me. Hey, my man. Congrats. Free account. Apex or TPT. All right. There you go. Just make sure you DM me at some point today. We'll get you all locked in there. Nice. So that's our first giveaway down, folks. First giveaway down. Could do our second giveaway. We could do it right now, or we could wait until after the open. You tell me. What do you folks want to do? You want to do it now? Now! Okay, we'll do it now. And again, this is for either Apex or TPT. It's your world. We're just living in it. The TPT account is going to be a 50K account. The Apex account is going to be any size you want. Now, to win this giveaway, we're going to do it a little bit differently here. Just a touch differently, okay? Just a slight touch differently. We're going to have you click a different link this time. I know, a lot of link clicking going on. Slightly different, okay? Slightly different. I'm going to have you click this link right here. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. Click that link, okay? You're going to scroll down on that page. All the way down. all the way down. Keep going. A little bit more. Not too far. I saw that. You almost went too far. Not too far. Slow down, all right? Slow down. Slow down, slow down. Yeah, it says blank you can trade. Blank you can trade. You're going to type in that word. Blank you can trade. Blank, and the word is all in yellow or orange, whatever. If you're colorblind, it's probably like a beige. A deep beige creaminess. Oh, look at that. You folks are too good. That's right. That's right. You nailed it. You nailed it. So good. Instruments is the keyword. Type it in one single time. Again, this is for Apex or TPT, whatever you want. It is your world. We are just living in it. Whatever your flavor of ice cream is today, that's what we're going to have. Type it in one single time. If you type it in more than once, you will be disqualified. I don't make the rules. Wait, I do actually. Well, we just don't want any keyword spam. Type it in one single time. We'll give everybody a chance here to type it in. Doesn't look like a word anymore. That's funny when you keep saying a word or typing a word. Doesn't even look like a word anymore. Instruments. ACB's Lagarde is still yapping. Market still has not punched back up over 5,800 in the S&P, so it'll be interesting to trade this open together. We are 10 minutes now from the open. 10 minutes. Let's see if we can get up to 450 entries here. Free Apex or TPT account. TPT is 50K, Apex any size. I had to go back and see if I spelled it right, yeah. One of those weird words, right? It's a long one. That's what she said. Hey. All right, here we go. We are at 448. Once we get to 450, we will put 30 seconds on the clock. All right, 30 more seconds. Get those giveaway entries in. Just type in the word instruments one single time. Very simple. If Ripsmod is trying to win, oh my goodness. Look at Ripsmod. A little sword next to Ripsmod here. Moderator. Moderators can win. That'd be sick if Ripsmod won. It's a rigged scam. Ripsmod gets 100x. I don't think I could do that. I think 10x is the most I could do. All right, 10 more seconds, everybody. 10 more seconds and we'll do the winner. The winner of the giveaway. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3. Remember, anything you want. TPT, 50K, Apex, any size, up to 300K if you want. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and good luck, everybody. We are rolling. Robino, yo, hey. Robino, of course, is one of our Discord members. I'm going to DM you right now. Congrats, dude. Nice work. Congrats. Please choose Apex or TPT. All right. I sent you a DM, my friend. Oh, you're not accepting DMs. What in the world? Well, send me a DM, my friend. You got me blocked from DMs. What's up with that? Come on. I tried to send you a Discord DM. Robin. There you go. Yeah, just DM me here on Discord. Congratulations to our winners. That's awesome. That's dope. Nice work. We will do more giveaways tomorrow. I got more TPT accounts, more Apex accounts to give away tomorrow. I think we'll probably do 2 and 2. 2 TPT accounts, 2 Apex accounts. So a total of 4 giveaways. Woo! You don't want to miss that. So if you only tuned in for the giveaways, I'll see you tomorrow. But hey, stick around. Let's see if we can trade this open together. Kind of want to trade in my personal account, to be honest with you. Kind of where my head's at right now. That's what I want to do. I don't know. Maybe we trade the Apex account. I don't know. I kind of want to trade my personal. That's where my head's at. You know? All right, cool. How often do you trade your personal? I mean, almost every day. Morning, Rips. I think you mentioned that a long time ago you got smoked big in a regular stock move like it seems many do. When did you decide to take the loss? Currently down 47K. Oof, I'm sorry, man. It's relative. 47K could be a tremendous amount. I don't know what your portfolio size is. I don't really want to get into it, but oftentimes, like your hardest pain point is usually the worst time to be getting out of a stock. And I hate to say it like that, but if you can maybe buy further downside protection via puts, maybe 3 to 6 months out, you could have some more downside protection via puts. That way you're not taking your position off, or you could just take it off and then look to potentially get in later. But yeah, I would, that's what I would do. That's what I'd be looking to do. I'm sorry, that sucks. I would buy protection first. Why is it members always win? They get 10x the luck. That's why. 10x the luck, my friend. All right, we are coming back down here. Let me see if I have my personal brokerage window. There it is. Definitely don't want to do that. That's too big. And that is, of course, Jeff, that is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I would never give you financial advice. I'm just a dude on YouTube that casually clicks buttons here and there. Definitely, certainly not financial advice. Penny stocks are the worst. If it's a penny stock and doesn't have options, you're probably not in a good boat right now, I would say. Wow, the dome is very spotty right now. Let's see if we can trade this. Trade this well here. Yeah, Gran Turismo vibes. I feel that too. It's crazy that we are still just like under tremendous amounts of pressure down here, and I feel like we're like triple bottoming in the S&Ps. So if we did break this to the downside, I think it could be pretty nasty. Although I could absolutely see us like breaking to the downside and then just scooping right back up, you know, holding this trend here. I guess we'll see. I guess we'll find out, right? I guess we'll find out. Did you trade the 15-minute opening range break? It's definitely a good strategy for sure. The next piece of news that's coming out is not until 10, mind you. 10 a.m. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, by the way. We are trying to get to 30,000 subs here on this channel. Would be lovely. Let's see what happened to my music here. Let's do some... Put on a little of this. A little bit of this. A little bit of that. There we go. Some tunes here. I'm going to be right back. I might miss the opening wicks here, but I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. The market's rolling heavily. Holy. QT from Lagarde, interesting. My bookmaps data is off. All right, let's see. Nice, you guys scalped the open. Sick. No trades yet, just watching. If we don't reclaim like 300s here, I kind of want to look for shorts. In this market, we are right at this low end of the S&Ps too. So if we broke that lower, I think we'd see a tremendous roll here. All right, I'm gonna see if we can take this a little bit short here. Looking for the prior day low down at 200s. We have to break through 250s here for this to work. Watching for the break at 250. Got to see this slam below. Alrighty, got stopped out there. Oh, there's our trade. Short cover lows. What does that make us today? Any guess on how much we made on that trade? I have actually no idea. I never look at my P&L when I'm trading, especially my live account. So we shorted. We covered those lows right below those 40s or 50s rather. What is our guess? What's our guess? I have no idea. I'm not even trying to troll here. I have absolutely no clue. Let's see. For the first time, I'm hoping for a big number. Hey, $5,100. Hey, that's $5,100 I didn't have this morning. Sick. Nice. Go Ripsy. You did it, buddy. Get him, Ripsy. That's $5,100 I didn't wake up with this morning. Yeehaw! Get him. Sweet. How is our cover down there since we are kind of rejecting? Go to the 1 second chart. I mean, those are some delectable covers right there. Look at that. We actually covered the lows. Holy smokes. Well, I'd say that's kind of juicy. Not too shabs. Would have been nice if we could have caught the whole thing, but hey, you know what? We'll take what we can get, right? 60s down to the 40s, 20 points. Num, 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 num. As the kids say. That's what we call a what?
That's what we call a sack lunch. Nom, 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 nom.
Okay. I was curious. All right, let's go back to Apex. Let's see if we can trade anything on the Apex accounts. I'm pretty satisfied with $5,100. Pretty satisfied with that. This, by the way, we have not taken out the previous day low. I want to let this dance a little bit first. What happened between you and Top Step there is still a good firm to use, of course. No issues. Never had an issue with Top Step. Zero. What's the previous level indicator, please? This is called Spaceman BTC. It's on TradingView. It is the goat of goats when we're talking indicators here. Spaceman BTC key level. I love it. Where can I find my Tradeovate username and pass for Apex? On your dashboard. On your dashboard. Still heavy sellers here on the tape, but I want to wait a little bit longer because the S&Ps are still testing these lows. They are not strongly breaking through, even though I think the market will probably roll a little bit further from here. I just don't know how many bounces we're going to have before it. I like Tradeovate a lot. I'm probably not going to trade my personal for the rest of the day. I just wanted to have one little easy trade because I am playing poker today. My friends are coming into town. I just wanted to have one clean little scalp there. 5K is 5K. 5K a day keeps the bill collectors away, right? So they say. Rips, thanks for introducing me to intermittent fasting. Now a lifestyle choice to remain healthier than before. Only pain is now waiting for the first calories of the day. I love to hear that. Had a lot of people start doing intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is, it's a beautiful thing. Keeps you in shape. Keeps your belly fat down. See, these are the bounces that I'm nervous about. I'm just waiting for the market. Like, get it out of your system. You ever have a kid that's had too much sugar? Or that's jacked up on Ritalin? Or a kid that has smoked a good, healthy bowl of meth? What do you say to that kid? You say, hey, get it out of your system. That's how I feel about the market this morning. Get it out of your system before I come back in you. Wait, hold on. Well, rewind. The choice of words there, not so great. Hold on. All right, we're talking about the market here. Yo, hold on. Wait a second. All right, forget we're talking about anything like that. Talking about the markets here. There's a lot of things we end up saying on this show that we don't really think about before we say it. That's how you know the show is live. Ew, Bonnie Blue. Dude, isn't there two of those porn stars that are just filthy right now? That like just going through like thousands of dudes? Like so insane. There's two of them. Did Rips just off her back shot? Dude, again, look at this cover, by the way. Look at this cover in our live account. That is dude, come on. If that's not a prescient cover, I don't know what is. That is juiced. That is juiced up. That is juiced up. They're both from the UK. Dude, I thought it was the same person for the longest time. And then I saw somebody like posting it, they had different names. I was like, wait, that's not the same person? There's two people like going for the Ho Olympics here. I want the gold medal. No, me. The Olympics. It's this music. I blame the music. I simply blame the music. Puts a new spin on pole vault. That was good. That was quick. That's awesome. Oh, Lord. Oh, goodness. Yeah, that's so gross. Disgusting, dude. Those men have no shame. That is absolutely disgusting. You are down bad if you're in that line. You are down super bad. We are rejecting right now off the Monday low. 15 minutes still have not passed, mind you. Let's see how many. We got another 5 minutes on the 15-minute bar. Only if you're first. This is so disgusting, dude. By the way, do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the stream here. I stream every single morning, Monday through Friday. I will start streaming the opens more if you folks are appreciating that I'm streaming the opens and take trades and live account. I don't know of anybody out there that's streaming a live account. Like a real account, their own money on the line. I don't know a lot of people that are doing that, streaming it live, doing it for free. I don't know. Maybe it's nothing special. Who knows? Who cares? Whatever. Who cares? Who really cares? Just past 350K combines on that cell. Let's go! Give it up for Vic Vice in the building. Somebody's got to link me to a stream of somebody who's doing that. Like real money. I'm not talking about like, made like $53 today, you know. How's the poker going? It's been going well. The cash flow stream, I can't talk about it because I'm not allowed to, but you'll have to tune in and watch. The cash flow episodes start airing March 13th. We are coming back down again. My goodness, this market is rinsing. Oh my Lord! Ha! No news yet. Let's see. What a great short that was from 315. Oh my Lord. Just made 3K with a demo account. Can I pay out play money, please? Yes. Get that money in your Monopoly bank account. Thought Rips was a douche. I was completely wrong. I mean, hey, it's okay if you think I am. I'm just a dude here clicking buttons, man. I show up every single day because I enjoy streaming for the most part. I like hanging out with you folks. Makes trading more fun. Trading alone is very boring. I did it for a long part of my trading career. This is my 11th year of trading, by the way. Let's go. Happy birthday, Rips. 11th year. I can't believe I've actually been doing this for 11 years. I'm a psycho. The fact that we do this voluntarily is what's crazy to me. 11 years of doing this. That is insane. Sorry, changing the music. The song is way too aggressive for me. How was my first 5 years? I was actually profitable by year 5. First 3 years were hell on earth. First 3 years, you learn, I think, the most you'll ever learn about yourself as a human being. Ever. In anything. You really learn, like, where your pain points are. You really learn, like, how thick your skin is and how much things hurt. I will never shy away from this, but I have traded to the point of tears. It felt like somebody stabbed me on my worst day of trading. Literally felt like somebody had stabbed me. I keeled over like into a ball, sobbing violently. I lost 7 figures in a single day. And it was awful. Awful. That's a lot of money. I don't care who you are, how wealthy you are, how well you've done in your life. It's a lot of money. And you never want to revisit that type of pain. Ever. Ever, ever, ever. And so when you go through that, you go, well, if I want to continue doing this, maybe I should never do that again. And then you learn. You learn. If it makes you feel any better, my best day ever was around 3x of my worst losing day. So it's all relative, right? It's all relative. But it still hurts. It still hurts. And you need to go through that pain. So the first, I think, 5 years are very deep in that explorative area for your own personal development and your trading development. Is that when you took the break? No, actually, no. That was not when I took the break, believe it or not. I did take like a 3-day break. I think the trade was on like a Wednesday. The worst part about it is like I shorted on the way up and then I longed it on the way down. And I literally was like, so like in denial of what the actual figure was on the screen. I'm like, I'm gonna get out of this. This is not happening. Pure denial. This isn't happening. That Radiohead song. This isn't happening. Yeah, it was, and it did. And then like you wake up the next day and you're like, I bet you that didn't happen. Then you look at your account, and you're like, it's gone. It's missing. And all I had to do was not push those buttons. All I had to do was not interact with the market that day, and that never would have happened, but no. So, it was horrible. Thankfully, my wife was there for me. Horrible, though. Horrible. Ribs, how do you get over losing an XFA if it was your only funding? I was up about 5%, have received payouts. One day, effed up everything, chasing NQ longs, went on tilt. Welcome to the party, my friend. You got to go through that blessing of fire a few times. How do you get through it? You go through it some more. I wish I could tell you that there's like a very fast track, easy way to get through all of this stuff, but there's just not. Like the trade that I took this morning, right? I'm up a lot in my personal account ever since I started. My personal one that we're streaming with here on the stream, that we stream with in Clubhouse on Discord, that account I'm up a healthy amount. I'm prepared to lose money in that account. It's not gonna emotionally affect me. Like on that trade, I could have lost probably $3,000. I had my stop right around $3,000 on that trade. If I lose $3,000, it's not gonna ruin my day, right? But I'm certainly not gonna take a trade and put a stop at like $60,000 and then be like, I'm so confident this market is gonna go down. I have a trade idea, I have like everything I'm gonna put on. Even if I lost $60,000 in the account right now, I still would not be red on the year in that account. And I started it late January. So even if I lost $60,000, but the point is that just because I have $60,000 to lose doesn't mean I'm going to go for trying to lose that. I'm keeping what I have in mind, kind of in the cycle of what I'm doing here. The same thing goes with these Apex accounts. These Apex accounts, I'm not trading anything how I'm trading my personal streaming brokerage account at all. I'm trading these very scalpy and I'm being very careful. If you've noticed, I haven't taken a trade on the Apex account since the open because I'm waiting for the market to set up. I'm being patient. But none of this I would have learned by not doing anything, right? You need to go through the blessing of fire of going through things. Over 60% on the personal. Buddy, we are almost at 200% on the personal, believe it or not. We're very close to that threshold, actually. Very, 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 very close to that threshold of 200%. Would you recommend to start with a live account of $500 and trade one micro, or with prop firms? Always with prop firms. Yes, always with prop firms. But just don't let it spiral out of control. Don't let it fool you that $49 or $100 or $200 is not a lot of money, because if you're just spinning through that and you look back and you go, wow, I've gone through like 25 accounts, that adds up. So be mindful and treat it like real money. I know that it's prop capital and all that, but like treat it like real money. Look at me. Like I've been trading for 11 years. Look at how slow I am on my Apex accounts. And these are evaluation accounts, dude. I can easily just go rink and just try to pass them in one trade, but I'm not. It doesn't make any sense, because when I get to the PAs, I want to slowly stack these things, build the bricks, and then get these to payout town, you know? And the other misinterpretation of trading is that if you're trading on props, they're super difficult. But if you trade with your own money, it's going to be suddenly super easy. No, you're going to learn a lot of good habits from trading on props. And you're going to want those trading wheels to then carry you to the point where you will be able to comfortably trade a personal account. And stop trying to compare yourself to everybody else out there. Like if $100 means something, $100 means something. Don't be fooled by like, well, I seen this guy on social media. He made $250,000 today. I'm going to get to that level. Just give me like a year. I'm going to be there. You're not. Slow down. Relax. The slower you go, the easier it gets. And how do I know that? Because I used to rush. My first 3 years was a lot of rushing, because I would make money, and then I'd be like, I'm so confident, and then brink, straight back down. And this is my own real personal capital. Thankfully, I have businesses at the time that were covering the costs of my trading. But it was in a very expensive habit. And I was treating the money like it was endless. And so I would just kind of get through it and just gone, okay, wiring in more, changing 500. But, you know, treat it like it's real. I don't care if $200 doesn't seem like a lot now, but 200 now means that you're going to go up to 2,000 later. 2,000 later means you're going to be able to get to 20,000 later, then 200,000, then 2 million, then etc. But it's a slow scaling program. Start with $20. If you can't make $20, what makes you think you're going to be able to make $200? If you can't make $200, what makes you think you're going to be able to do $2,000? You got to go slow. And by the way, the cool thing about the market is it's that one thing that two people could take the same trade. Like there's, depending on the liquidity and on all of that, but if somebody took the same trade that I took, but taxed the amount of lots that they took in that trade, there's enough liquidity to probably take 75 contracts in the NQ. This morning, we got about 25 points. Let's go to the whiteboard over here. Whiteboard says 75 contracts times 20 points times $20 a point. So it's $30,000. So somebody could have made 6x what I made. But they took the exact same trade. They just used more size. Now that probably means that their account is much larger and they are willing to take a lot more heat. Like I said, my stop loss is about $3,000 on that trade. If somebody's trying to make $30,000, their stop loss is probably gonna be around $20,000 if they're taking the same risk reward ratio that I am. So it's all relative, right? It's all relative. The point is that find out what works for you in your trading methodology and stick with that. Stop trying to be a hero and swing for the fences every single time, because that's gonna end in ruin. There's no reason to be swinging for the fences. Just relax, because I promise you, if you can trade well, you can scale into bigger trades, not by changing the way you trade, but just by changing the number of contracts that you trade or going from the micros to the minis. There's no reason to start going crazy and start blasting off like there's no tomorrow. Just take it very, very slow. You'll get there a lot quicker. The more you're rushing now, the harder it's going to be later. I promise. Still haven't taken another trade on my Apex account. Look at that. We are through the first 15 minutes here, but I just don't like it. Still don't like anything here. People see the streamers that full port evals to get through them quick. I'm not going to be that dude right now, at least. But no, I'm not doing that. The other thing that you can do to fool yourself as a trader is that you're going to go back and look at the market after the day is over and look at all, oh, if I would have done this, I could have done this, and then I could have done this and this, but you didn't. So do your chart work and look at where there were real opportunities for an entry for your trades, where it meets your real criteria, and then figure out how you can get it for next time. I guess I'm over leveraged. I always trade 50K Apex with one mini. Is this too much to start? I don't know. If 50K only has like $2,500 worth of drawdown, you might be shooting yourself in the foot a little bit. You could try on the micros, try trading like 5 micros, you know? Yes, news at 10 a.m. We do have the, whatchamacallit, it's not a big ticket item. It is the wholesale trade sales and wholesale inventories for January. So we're going a couple months back for that data. But that's going to be interesting because the trade stuff that's been going on, the data in January is not going to be super helpful, but you know, we'll see what happens, see if it shakes up the market at all. I'm not expecting a whole bunch of activity. I just don't like this market right now, triple bottoming in the S&Ps, but we don't have a lot of forceful push to the upside. I feel like the market's just going to consolidate. Even if the consolidation is like 200 points, it's going to churn. How do I get the Spaceman key levels integrated in Top Step? They don't work on Top Step X. They only work on TradingView as far as I'm aware. What do you recommend, Footprints or Bookmap? Can't decide. Try them both, see what works for you. I used to trade on Footprints. I trade on Bookmap now, or I use Bookmap to guide my trades, but find out what works for you. Maybe it's neither. You never know. But yeah, Spaceman BTC is the thing we use for all this good stuff. 10K first day on the Pro TPT accounts. Dude, Brandon, you are a rock star, my friend. You dirty dog. Let me ask you a serious question, Brandon. Did you use code RIPS? Okay, all right, we're cool. We're cool. Waiting for 5,800 level action. I like that, Dan. It may not come today, but hey, you know, at least you're being patient, sticking to your guns. I like it. Like it a lot. This is, again, this indicator, Spaceman BTC key level. That's the name of it. I used to keep losing evals by trading minis on the 50K. I started trading 5 micros with a 20-point stop. I've been doing a lot better. I even add into the trade while it's working for me. There you go, Big Vice. Nice, nice. Big Vice is nice. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this open outside of that open scalp. I'm really not. I don't think it's a great range to trade. It's a little bit choppy. It's going to be difficult to make a good trade on Apex. I might even just be done for the day. Got Bobby's room at 10 a.m. this morning. Bobby's room. Bellagio. 10 a.m. Got my friends coming into town. And we got a dinner tonight. Dinner Friday. Dinner Saturday. Dinner Sunday, I think. If they're not going back on Sunday. I don't know. It'll be fun. So my day might be wrapped. We made $5,100 in the personal. We made almost 10,000 in the Apex evals. So we made progress today, you know. I think I'm just going to go chill with the folks in Discord. Oh, wait. Yeah, news. That's right. Let's wait for the news and let's see. Let's see first and then we'll cut it. What are your current poker swings, best, worst? I mean, we're currently on an upswing. Slightly. That's a very small little upswing. But the worst, since I moved to Vegas, like, the worst session was like 300K down. Best session was like 400 something up. So it can be swingy. Depends on the game you're playing. Bobby's room can be very swingy. It's a big game. Plays big. Plays very, very big. Today we're only playing 100, which is still a big game, but it's not. Sometimes the game gets a little spooky. Like if there's certain VIPs in town, people are buying in like 300, 400K. It can get a little spooky. Big stacks. Discord. I mean, Ripsmod can help you out with that. You know me. I always say stick around the free YouTube stuff. Help, I need to lose 6K. Very easy to do. Flip contracts. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Stop trying to get yourself to lose. Just take one contract, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, back and forth. And you'll eat away your account at fees. Bobby's room is tremendously difficult too. It's not an easy game by any means. The people who run it are very talented players. And some of the players who play in that game, extremely talented players. Way better than I would ever be. But this was fun. We had a fun opening stream here. We'll probably try to do these more often as long as we have the interest for it. People are interested in hanging out, trading the open together. If it's helpful for your trading. Why does he need to lose? He probably overshot the profit target. Because on Top Step, it's 2 days to pass versus 1, so you can overshoot it. In your one single day, you can make too much. So, what's up, Paul? How you doing there? Plays a Cheez-It poker game last night. Biggest hand got up to 70 Cheez-Its. Ooh, that is high stakes right there. Did you have a Gouda hand? Thanks, Reps made $12.50. Your great help. Nice, Fred. Hey, give it up for Fred in chat. Making money. News coming out here in 90 seconds. 90 seconds till the news. Wholesale trade balance and inventories coming out here for January. What do you do with 70 Cheez-Its? I mean, start loan sharking those things out. Charge a lot of interest on those bad doggers. Got the bounce from 2271. Very scared surprise. 2 points for my stop. Ooh, that is spooky. Spooky. Very spooky. Any tips for someone who's coming back into trading after taking a little mental break? Yeah, take it slow. Come back in very slow. Trade the minis or the micros. Trade the micros. Okay, here we come. 45 seconds. Expectations for the inventories at 0.0 or 0.7%. Trade sales at 0.5%. Let's see if we come in around those numbers. We are right now just locked tight. I don't even have my TradeMate screen up. Shows you how bad I want to trade this print. Because I don't want to do it. Was losing a lot, had to step away. That's very hard to do for most people, so give yourself a pat on the back. If you stepped away, it's good. You're going to see the market differently, which is good. And if you're not, take a longer break. It's okay to take breaks from the market. It's going to be here. 10 a.m. algorithms there. And the news. Wholesale inventories coming in 10 basis points hotter. Not a big deal. Oh, wow. Trade sales negative 1.3 already in January. Oh, boy. That is not good. I can imagine the market might not like this information. Testing the 50s down here, 20,250. This is just the regular NQ right there. NQ, not MNQ. I am almost never going to trade the micros. Wow, look at that rejection off the lows, people. Oh my word. This is again why I said, I don't want to trade this. I don't trust this type of, like, when you have algorithms turning on, they do a little pump fake like that. I just don't like it. I've been blasted too many times. Market says, hey, do me a favor, grab those ankles. Stay away. Stay away. All right, everybody, I'm going to wrap it up here. Thank you for joining me on this lovely Thursday. We will be back again tomorrow for Friday. Tell your friends we are going to be giving away 4 accounts tomorrow. 2 Apex, 2 TPT, or maybe 4 Apex, 4 TPT, whatever you want. 4 accounts are going up for free tomorrow. Join me, 8 a.m. Eastern time. I'll be there. Take care, everybody. It's been a blast. We are finishing our day up. What is this? Get my calculator out here. 480. Go to the screen. Where is it? There it is. 480. Spot 70 times 20. We are up $9,614 to end our day. We also made $5,100 in our personal account, which I'm quite proud of. Not easy to do that, so a little pat on the back for that. On your way out, make sure you are subscribed to the stream. Make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you folks bright and early. Discord, don't go anywhere. I'll be right with you. But I'll see you folks bright and early tomorrow. Be good. Bye-bye. See ya. Bye-bye. Bye.